Hello YouTubers and YouTubies, NorthCoastT here. Today we're going to be working on a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. The tools you're going to need for this job are a 15mm, 18mm, and a 13mm. 13mm is only bolt you're going to use that for is for the exhaust bracket. A swivel comes in handy to get around the exhaust, a couple extensions, and a ratchet. That's all you need for this job, and a whole lot of patience. And you might want to get a floor jack. I put the vehicle up on ramps and then used a floor jack to lift the trailer hitch into place to hold it still, and just hold it up there so your arms don't get tired, then start all the bolts in. I also sprayed some white lithium grease on all the bolts, the holes, and all around it, because we get a lot of salt here in Ohio. We're going to be installing this trailer hitch. It's a class 3 trailer hitch, and it has 5 mounting points, 3 on the driver's side, 2 on the passenger side, and those spots should coincide with bolts you already have underneath. So let's take a look. This is the driver's side, and your factory bolts are these here, and here's the third one. Those hold your back bumper on, so you're going to be removing those and then putting the trailer hitch up and then reinstalling them. So let's see how it goes. Well, we're going to start on the driver's side. On the passenger side, they're hidden behind the exhaust, so we'll have to do some work with that as well. These are the 3 bolts you took out on the driver's side that held the bumper in, and now you just replace them to put the trailer hitch in. The rearmost bolts are the smaller ones. There's one on the driver, one on the passenger, and those are 15mm. This is a 13mm bolt. This holds the exhaust in. You want to take this out first. Then it'll allow you to wiggle the exhaust out of the way to gain access to the other 2 bolts. That back bolt there and that bolt right there are the only 2 on the passenger side holding the new hitch in. But those are the 2 you're looking, they're hidden by the exhaust. You have to remove that exhaust bolt there, and then you can move the exhaust out of the way to get to those. Thank you for checking out my video. I hope this helps you out. Stay tuned for the wiring. That'll be in another video. I figured this video was long enough just trying to get the trailer hitch installed. So please give the video a like if you found it helpful, and I would also appreciate a subscribe. Until the next time, thank you and have a good night.